Hey everyone! No gym? No problem. Today I'm going to show you how to stay fit and maintain your weight with a full-body home workout. Whether you're in a small apartment or a spacious house, you can get a great workout without any fancy equipment. You don't need a gym membership or a ton of space to stay in shape. All you need is a bit of motivation and some creativity. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure you have a small area cleared out. You don't need much room, just enough to move around comfortably. If you have a yoga mat, that's great. But if not, a towel or even just the floor will do. Just bring your energy and let's get started. We're going to kick things off with a classic exercise that everyone knows and loves. First up, we're hitting the classic, jumping jacks. This exercise is a fantastic way to warm up and get that heart pumping. It's simple, effective, and gets your whole body moving. Aim for 30 seconds of continuous jumping jacks. Ready? Go. Keep those arms and legs moving and remember to breathe. Great job. You're doing amazing. Feel that heart rate rising? That's exactly what we want. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Next, let's move to push-ups. These are amazing for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If regular push-ups are too challenging, no worries. Drop to your knees and keep pushing. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. Keep your body straight and lower yourself down slowly. Push back up with control. You're doing great. Remember, it's all about form. If you need to modify, that's perfectly fine. The important thing is that you're moving and working those muscles. Feeling the burn? That's what we want. Now, let's stand up for some squats. Squats are incredible for your legs and glutes. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and lower down like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Let's go for 15 reps. Halfway there. Keep pushing through. You're doing fantastic. Now let's hit the floor again for some plank. This exercise is a powerhouse for your core. Hold it for 30 seconds and remember to keep your body in a straight line. You got this. Planks are not just great for your abs, but they also strengthen your back and shoulders. Keep holding. You're almost there. Up next, mountain climbers. These are perfect for cardio and core strength. Get into a plank position and bring each knee towards your chest, one at a time. Keep it going for 30 seconds. Feel that heart rate rise. Fantastic. You're doing an amazing job. Now let's target those arms and core with some tricep dips. Use a sturdy chair or a low table. Lower and lift yourself using your arms. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. Almost there. Tricep dips are fantastic for toning the back of your arms. Keep your movements controlled and steady. You're doing great. Time for some bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and alternate bringing each elbow to the opposite knee. This is killer for your abs. Let's go for 15 reps per side. Bicycle crunches are one of the best exercises for targeting your obliques. Keep pushing, you're almost done. Finally, let's cool down with some stretching. Reach for your toes, stretch those arms, and take deep breaths. You did amazing today. Remember, consistency is key. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Take your time and enjoy the stretch. You don't need a gym to stay fit and healthy. Just a bit of space, some determination, and you've got this. Keep pushing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next workout video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more home workout tips. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye! Remember, every bit of effort counts. Keep up the great work and stay consistent. You've got this. Time for some bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and alternate bringing each elbow to the opposite knee. This is killer for your abs. Let's go for 15 reps per side. Let's go for 15 reps per side. Finally, let's cool down with some stretching. Reach for your toes, stretch those arms, and take deep breaths. You did amazing today. Remember, consistency is key. You don't need a gym to stay fit and healthy. Just a bit of space, some determination, and you've got this. Keep pushing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next workout video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more home workout tips. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.